Hello friends, welcome to the Crypto Skill. Today, we're diving into Wrapped Bitcoin, WBTC, a tokenized version of Bitcoin that brings BTC liquidity to the Ethereum blockchain. If you've ever wondered how you can use Bitcoin in decentralized finance, DeFi, applications, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll understand what Wrapped Bitcoin is, how it works, its benefits and risks, whether WBTC is a good investment for you. So, let's get started. What is Wrapped Bitcoin? WBTC Wrapped Bitcoin is an ERC20 token that represents Bitcoin on the Ethereum blockchain. Each WBTC token is backed one by one actual Bitcoin, meaning its value is always equal to BTC. Think of WBTC as a bridge between Bitcoin and Ethereum, allowing Bitcoin holders to participate in Ethereum-based decentralized applications, dApps, DeFi protocols, and smart contracts without selling their BTC. How does WBTC work? Wrapped Bitcoin operates through a system of custodians, merchants, and users. Number 1. Custodians hold the actual BTC that backs WBTC, for example, BitGo. Number 2. Merchants facilitate the minting, creation, and redeeming of WBTC. Number 3. Users swap BTC for WBTC or redeem WBTC for BTC. When a user wants WBTC, they send Bitcoin to a merchant, who requests the custodian to mint an equivalent amount of WBTC. If they want to convert back, the process is reversed. This ensures that every WBTC in circulation is backed by real Bitcoin, making it a trustworthy tokenized version of BTC. Why use Wrapped Bitcoin? There are several advantages to using WBTC instead of BTC, especially within the Ethereum ecosystem. Number 1. Access to DeFi. Bitcoin itself doesn't support smart contracts, but Ethereum does. WBTC allows Bitcoin holders to participate in DeFi activities like lending and borrowing, for example, Aave, Compound, yield farming and staking, and providing liquidity on decentralized exchanges, DEXs, like Uniswap. Number 2. Faster transactions. Bitcoin transactions can take longer to confirm due to network congestion. On Ethereum, WBTC transactions are typically faster and cheaper. Number 3. More use cases. WBTC can be integrated into Ethereum-based projects, such as NFT marketplaces, DAOs, and DeFi platforms, increasing Bitcoin's functionality. Risks and downsides of WBTC. While WBTC has many benefits, it's not without risks. Number 1. Centralization risk. Unlike Bitcoin, which is decentralized, WBTC relies on centralized custodians, like BitGo, to hold the actual BTC. This creates a single point of failure. Number 2. Smart contract vulnerabilities. Since WBTC is an ERC20 token, it depends on Ethereum's smart contracts, which can be hacked or exploited if not properly secured. Number 3. Regulatory concerns. Governments may impose stricter regulations on tokenized assets, affecting the availability and use of WBTC. Is WBTC a good investment? If you're a Bitcoin holder looking to enter the Ethereum ecosystem without selling your BTC, WBTC can be a great option. However, it's important to weigh the risks of centralization and smart contract security. Research platforms where you'll use WBTC. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Final thoughts. Wrapped Bitcoin is an innovative solution that unlocks Bitcoin's liquidity for DeFi and Ethereum applications. While it offers exciting opportunities, it also comes with certain risks. Do you think WBTC will play a bigger role in crypto's future? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Crypto Skill. For more crypto insights, hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.